Hi friend, thanks for checking out our gig. 3 years ago, I discovered one powerful marketing strategy I was missing out in promoting my business and product online: whiteboard animation. Here's a brief idea behind the rapid rate of success that comes from whiteboard video promotion. Every other promotion method requires your target to take some action in order to get the message on what your product is all about. And the most common one is reading through your ad or product description. 80% of your site visitors won't have that time to go through your lengthy description. But with whiteboard animation, just a click, they will have access to an audible video with a high dimension and a very attractive graphics. This keeps them engaged and sends a message that sticks down there in their mind. In 2012, Dr. Wiseman passed his message to his viewers through different methods in which scribed videos was inclusive. He tested their memory afterward, and those that watched the whiteboard video got the highest score recorded. Amazing! Well, I have to be honest with you. You can't get a clear picture of your message through whiteboard animation if you fail to contact a professional video creator, editor, and graphic designer like us.